Hi teacher friends, welcome back to the New Teacher Nook YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore how to create an effective teacher resume to help stand out from other candidates. Let's get started. In order to create an effective resume, it's crucial for teachers to highlight their skills and experience in a way that stands out to potential employers. Here are some tips on how to list your work experience on a teacher resume. Tip number 1, use a reverse chronological order. Start with your most recent job and work backward. This format is preferred because it showcases your most recent and relevant experience first. Tip number 2, include relevant details such as job title, name of the school or institution, location, and dates of employment. Tip number 3, highlight key responsibilities and achievements. You're going to want to use bullet points to list your duties and accomplishments, and focus on tasks that demonstrate your skills in classroom management, lesson planning, student assessment, and your use of educational technology. Quantify achievements when possible. For example, improve student reading levels by 20%. Tip number 4, use action verbs. Start each bullet point with strong action verbs such as implemented, designed, facilitated, collaborated, and mentored. Tip number 5, tailor to the job description. Customize your experience section to match the specific job you are applying for. You're going to want to use keywords from the job description to ensure your resume passes through Applicant Tracking System, otherwise known as ATS. Tip number 6, showcase special skills and certifications. Include any special skills relevant to the job, such as proficiency in educational software, foreign languages, or special education strategies. Mention certifications and professional development courses, especially those required or preferred for the position. Tip number 7, include extracurricular involvement. Highlight roles in extracurricular activities such as coaching sports, advising clubs, or organizing school events. This demonstrates your commitment to student development beyond the classroom. Tip number 8, emphasize collaboration and leadership. Mention any experience working in teams, leading professional development sessions, or serving on committees. These details show your ability to collaborate with colleagues and take on leadership roles. Tip number 9, show continuous involvement. If you have received any awards or recognitions, you're going to want to include them. Mention initiatives you've taken to improve your teaching methods or curriculum. Tip number 10, be clear and concise. Keep each bullet point concise and to the point. Avoid jargon and overly complex language. Tip number 11, proofread. Carefully proofread your resume for spelling and grammatical errors, and consider asking a colleague or professional editor to review it. Tip number 12, use a professional format. Choose a clean professional font and layout. Ensure your resume is easy to read with clear headings and consistent formatting. By following these tips, you can create a compelling teacher resume that effectively showcases your experience and skills, increasing your chances of landing the job. Don't forget to grab the resume and cover letter template in the video description below. If you like this video, please help my channel by clicking the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everyone.